Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer domain from Weebly to WordPress. So let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in WordPress, click on the create an account option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions. You can use your Google, you can use your Apple, your GitHub, or you can even use your business or working email, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, I need you to do the same thing on Weebly. If you haven't done so, sign up for an account. If you did, just log in using your credentials. All right? Now, transferring a domain from Weebly to WordPress can provide numerous benefits, especially if you seek more control, flexibility, and advanced features from your website. So there's a lot of ways for you to transfer your domain from Weebly to WordPress. But one of the methods that I know is just go to your Weebly platform, all right? So from your dashboard, hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on domains. Because from here, you will be directed to a new page wherein we need to put some information such as your domains that you are going to transfer to the WordPress. So as you can see, this is going to be the domain powered by Weebly. All you have to do is click on the connect a domain here and set up your domain. Of course, when you click on the search here, you need to enter your WordPress domain, which is going to be this one. All right, I'm going to copy the entire thing here. Right, this one, andyguide.wordpress.com. And from here, all I have to do is click on paste and try to click on search. Just wait for it a little bit. Now from here, all I have to do is just select the domain that you wanted, because you're transferring that to your custom domain name. All right, it's a little bit straightforward. If you don't have the technical skills, what I suggest for you to go is in this platform. This is 10Web. This is one of the website builder. Okay, you can host it on 10Web hosting and optimize it with a page booster. So like here, you can manage your WordPress hosting or a WordPress builder. And these are the domains. So what I need you to do, you can generate your website, basically transferring your Weebly, your domain from Weebly, or the content from your Weebly to WordPress if you don't have the technical skills needed, right? So all I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my account here. Now, as you can see, you have three options. You can create a new website with AI. The AI tool will generate tailored content and images. You can convert a non-WordPress site to WordPress with AI. And of course, you can migrate WordPress site to 10Web hosting. But since we are going to transfer domain from Weebly to WordPress, we're going to convert a non-WordPress site to WordPress with AI. All right, just click on it. Now, once you are here, all you have to do is insert the URL to recreate. And that's going to be our Weebly URL, because we're transferring, remember, we're transferring the domain from Weebly to the WordPress, right? So this is going to be a blank WordPress using the AI builder from 10Web hosting. Now all I have to do is copy this one right here and switch over to the 10Web hosting. Okay, so I'm gonna paste that in. So if you own a domain for a website, just click on yes. If you don't, just click on no and click on the desired domain name. So we're probably like and these guides right here, and click on proceed. All right, now just for it a little bit, it's installing a new blank website, recreating the layout and adding the design elements. All right, now remember that WordPress started as a blogging platform and continues to offer superior blogging tools compared to Weebly. And again, while WordPress itself is free, you can choose from various hosting plans that fit your budget, which is going to be the 10Web, because it is one of the affordable hosting options, which is optimized for WordPress, providing excellent performance and security without the higher costs associated with some website builders. All right, so just wait for it and I'll get back to you once it's done. Okay, so we're still here. Remember that WordPress with plugins like WooCommerce, it offers extensive e-commerce capabilities. You can create fully featured online store with advanced features such as product variations, digital downloads, subscriptions, and a lot more, offering you greater flexibility than Weebly's e-commerce solutions. Although Weebly is good, but it has its own limitations. But if you integrate and leverage the power of WordPress, when properly managed, it can be very secure. Regular updates, security plugins, and managed WordPress hosting services can help protect your site against threats. Additionally, you have control over your site's security measures. Because I'm using both, and I wanted to utilize the both platforms. But I believe that WordPress has easier to export and backup the site's data, right? And the portability ensures that you can move your content to another platform or service if needed, providing peace of mind and flexibility for the future. Now, once you are here, just click on the preview and edit your website. Just wait for it a little bit because you can customize all the content here like images and other information such as this one right here. So you can add more information such as this one. You can edit your website with the 10 web editor based on Elementor. Remember that Elementor, okay, is also heavily integrated with WordPress. So if you're a fan of WordPress, you're not going to be having a difficult time, right? Because WordPress supports those plugins like Elementor, and this feature can be particularly beneficial if you need to reach a global audience with content, all right? Now, from here, please be mindful that it needs a 7 days free trial for you to be able to try the AI Builder Pro, all right? If you click on the try 10 web pro for 7 days, what will happen is, as you can see, this is going to be the pricing for the 10 web builder. But the thing is, if you tried it for once, you're gonna be able to transfer Weebly to Wix without any problem. All right, you just sit back, click on the buttons, and you're good to go. Unlike the manual converting of or transferring your domain from Weebly to Wix, which requires technical skills, right? Now, if you don't mind the price, just click on try for free option for now, and again, basically you can cancel it 7 days for free, cancel anytime. You will get a reminder for 24 hours before the period ends. And I want you to enter all your payment information, and from there you would be able to transfer Weebly website to your Wix domain, right? Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.